Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of the newest additions to our garage essentials. This is a bearing packer. So instead of hand packing your bearings, you use this handy tool. It has the taper on here so that the bearing sits in there and centers itself. And then you would fill the bottom with grease. You can either do that by hand or there's a grease zerk in there. And then you screw this middle piece down to hold the bearing in place. And then you use this top cap to push down, and as it compresses, it forces the grease into the bearing. So it's a quick, easy way, and not to mention it's a lot less messy. So if you want to find out more about our bearing packer and more of our garage essentials, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.